Hi guys, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. This is Chef Bor again, and this is my manager Anas from Deliciously, Bulgaria. Today is my birthday of my daughter. That's why I celebrate me and me Anas. That's why they have beer, they have vodka today. I buy not vodka, Smirnoff beer. Yeah, pancit. This one, that's why I celebrate our the birthday of my daughter. Thank you very much for all of you to watching us every day. Please subscribe Daily Sushi Bulgaria, Daily Sushi Dubai, Daily Sushi Sustainable. They have too much Daily Sushi in Dubai. Please follow us. And thank you very much for Mr. Boss Muhammad Tariq. Okay. And thank you very much for all of you. Please pray every day. And then I I always love you and thank you very much. Bye guys.